Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this Dress to Impress tag on your Discord profile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can join Dress to Impress community on Discord. You're going to go to the Discover and try to search for Dress to Impress community. Just type in Dress to Impress like this, and then you can join this Dress to Impress server. Tap on that, and I have already joined this community. And if you cannot find the Dress to Impress server on your Discover menu, you can go to your browser and then you can search for Dress to Impress Discord server on your browser, and then you will be able to join from your browser. Just in case if you use the Discord mobile, because sometimes it's not easy to find the community on the Discord mobile. Okay, and here we can select this menu and you will see this option, server tag. Tap on that and you can click on adopt tag. Here I have already adopted this server tag, and the tag will be like this. You will get this tag on your profile. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get the Dress to Impress tag on your Discord profile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!